Good morning, squad. So, if you see, as per the previous closing, 73.03, we are trading 5 paise down at 72.9850. What making rupee appreciate so much? The reason is simple. The bull run we had in Nifty uh, is one of the main reason which is keeping rupee um strengthening, and dollar index is also on verge of turning around, but which is not happening yet. So let's talk about today. So today's low is 72.97. So I think we are almost very close to 72.97. Once it is breached, we can see some more downside on the rupee. On a higher level, one we should try to cross 73.06 to change the rupee range as of now. So I would suggest, if you are holding any position, uh, keep a proper stop losses for the same. So if you want my help for stop losses, or for that matter target, it would be very simple. If you see the stop loss for the rupee, those who are buying it would be 72.90 at this moment. And oh, I won't call it stop loss. I would call it support one. The support one would be 72.90, and a second support lies at 72.65. Whereas the immediate resistance has been created at 73.06, and the next is at 73.18. So please note all these levels and plan your trade accordingly. I understand this is becoming very tiring these days to see the no movements when we are expecting a rupee to move, especially after interacting with so many of market participants, those who are very bullish. I will tell you their understanding as of now. Every day, every night, they are carrying their overnight position of buying, for that matter, and they're expecting at least a 5 paise or 10 paise gap up, but which is not happening from last 1 week or more than that. So you can understand how tiring it is for any of the market participants these days. We are stuck in a very cozy good comfort zone, and we are into a very range these days. We need to see whether this range becoming will become more narrow, or we will head or we'll open some new territory for trading in February series. So almost we are sitting on the 12th of the 10th of the February. Almost 2 weeks have passed for the February series, and almost half a month, being it is a shorter month, half a month is still remaining. So plan your trade accordingly. If you see, yesterday also we had some wild swing. And secondly, if I come back to GBP INR, GBP INR has shown a tremendous gap ups these days. Sorry for the disturbance in the background, but these are just the sellers, those who come near my house to sell some stuff. So excuse me for that. I'm not very great at editing, so you will have to listen to that also. So pound is trading at around 100.80 81 kind of levels, and yeah, after breaching a stop loss in a previous video of 100.27, it has jumped straight up and has shown what it has to show. So at this moment, unless and until we come down below 100.72 kind of levels, there is still some room for up move. Once we break the 700.72, the next stop would be at 100.35, and then 100.12 at this moment. So good money has been minted by the pound buyer. If you see, one, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight 5 trading sessions, and we are just up from the low of 99.25 till 100.81. So if you see 125, it's almost more than 150 paise up move which we have witnessed at this juncture. One can safely short at this level for making some few p intraday. I'm not going very aggressive and advising to carry a short sale. Reason being, only the reason being is pound has the potential to grow 7 to 8 rupees in back to back trading session. We have witnessed such kind of moves. So assuming 99.25 is the bottom, immediate bottom, don't be surprised if we see 100.04, 104 for that matter. So I'm not terrifying anyone at this juncture that don't short or whatever it is, but just plan your trade accordingly. Historically, I'm telling, rupee can, sorry, a pound can just jump 7 to 8 rupees. That is 700 to 800 paise within 15 days or so on bare minimum side. So please have a stop losses. Keep your position sizing in check. There is no one who will see such a sharp rise in euro INR. One can say safely assume that they have bottomed, euro has bottomed out at 87.41 and it's moving up only from last four trading sessions. Let's come back to Japanese yen. Japanese yen has rose again, the almost a similar chart which we have seen in euro INR. So I would like to share the support and resistance for the last two currency pairs. I skipped it for euro INR. I'll tell you for Japanese yen. So the support what the Japanese yen would be lying at 69.65, and the next support would be lying at 69.45, whereas the resistance is placed at exactly 70, which is a round figure, and then the next resistance would be 70.18. So plan your trade accordingly, and I hope you will make a good money out of this. Thank you so much.